I just feel like there are very little people in the world who enjoys walking as much as this guy and that guy. I like my couch and a bed.
Lazy f***.
That's why in my room there are two of them. There's two beds, one of which is a couch. I'm so done with nature, man. How was the ride? Bathroom. Then one room. This is my room. This is Big Brother's room. It's the dining area. It's the kitchen. Another bathroom area, washing area here. And lastly, there is a chill area. So, yep, we're here in Czech Republic, like the border of Czech Republic, very near Germany. We're gonna spend a few days here as 3 of us, like the bro squad. I don't know if I'm gonna stick to that name, but we'll use that for now. It's an unintentional internet abstinence. There's no Wi-Fi. Are you looking for Wi-Fi or?
No, I just got some message.
Nothing. No Wi-Fi. Other than that, I'm gonna casually start not shaving for this week just cause I guess we're gonna roam around a bit, see some churches, some geographical stuff, like nature stuff, hike a little bit, kind of like bond as the men of the Kobankiewicz family. For now, we're about to make lunch. Everything. Even brought a rice cooker. Hello, dude.
I'm on the toilet.
Copy, dude. I brought the meat.
Okay, very good, very
This
good,
stuff.
very good, very good, very good.
Tem uma lareira, tem um violão também, necessário tem, mas se você tem
Horses. It's day 1 out here, so we're not doing too much. Okay, go! Your turn! Yeah! Ring attack! Dogs! Nein. This is why you have fever and coughing, picking up random things and eating. After eating one thing, he has moved on to the next. Was ist das?
Blueberries.
Blueberries? Bird shit.
No, but try. Try.
No, you tried. Eee! Is it good?
Of course. A little bit sour.
I'm really passionate blueberry plucking.
No one understands it. Try.
Let me have one.
Nein, not one. You have to take it handful. Kannst du mit Blättern essen.
Nein, ich will
Man
keine
kann sogar
Blätter.
Tee aus den
Nein,
Blättern
danke. Nicht schlecht. And then 2 hours later, he's round 3.
Dass wir da
Wieso? Nee, ich denke einfach. It's called anger management, is what it's called. Alright, we found the horses again. The original plan was to touch one tree and then head back. Now we've trespassed a little, gotten a little bit lost, and we're on the way back. We have to trespass to get out. There's no other way. And we're just making sure that the landowners don't see us. It's not like we intentionally did this. We just got lost and we want to get out. We made it! I hate these. I hate these so much. You're the one who made us go into the jungle. It's almost 9 p.m. and this is what it looks like in summer in Europe. It's crazy, it's 9. What the hell? People should be sleeping.
The next morning.
We're going on a mountain. It's day 2. We're going to the mountain. Alright, we're on our way. We're going up to Schneekoppe. It's like one of the outlook points in Czech Republic. So we're somewhere here-ish, and then we're gonna take a cable car. We can either go up here or just roam around here, and then we'll walk all the way back down. Yeah. Basically it's too windy upstairs, so we're only taking the cable car like halfway, and then we'd have to walk the rest. This cable car is so fast. Alright, so it begins. 2.5 kilometers upwards. I think that's where we're going. All the way up there. Might have climbed like 2 mountains before, but it's been a while. So tired already, man. We're not even halfway. We also lost Dad on the way.
No, we didn't.
I don't know where he is.
What the hell?
Look down, he's not there. That looks like the summit, but according to my experience, whatever looks like the summit, there's usually another curve upwards, so yep. Brother's gonna wait on Dad. I'm gonna start moving forward first because I don't really want to lose momentum. So let's go. Yay!
He's going to play some music for us. Did you think it would sound
We're
like
basically
that?
up.
Turn this record over and
Rolling hills.
start all over again.
We were just up there. So done. Man, walking down is not easy either. Just hurts your knees a lot. I'm just so hungry, man. The sun's coming out, so it's not as cold anymore. That's good. And then hopefully we go down soon and get some lunch. Hola. This house honestly looks like if you went into it, you just go into the rest of the mountain. On our way down, it looks like a friendly alpaca. Hello.
But they shaved him.
Yes, more llamas.
You turn over the record and I'll be waiting.
Here's the car, we made it back. So we're just finding a place to eat now. Hopefully it's got Wi-Fi. Vad nimmst du die Reste? We did some grocery shopping. That's it for day 2.
The next morning.
It's day 3. Dad's a little bit sick, so I think we're staying in today. And here we have my brother trying to start a fire. Not yet?
Just preparing it.
Why?
Because there's nothing else to do.
That's true.
I think this is supposed to like burn really good.
Yeah, we did it. Nice. No! This can't go wrong.
If you put this.
It's day 4. Yesterday turned out a little bit more exciting than what we expected. So horses.
Let's see who you are behind that mask of...
We saw rock formations. So we didn't mean to hike this far, but we did, and I think it's pretty worth it. We got views for days. We saw a bear eating blueberries. We got lost in the woods, kind of. Now because we took a slightly more off the trail path, we are trying to find our way out. We're heading up. This one looks like it. We're gonna keep going. What was supposed to be a sick and rest day turned out way more exciting. Today we are heading towards the Polish side of the border. So I'm gonna pack some bananas.
Some bananas.
You're 26.
Damn it. I don't feel like 26.
I also wanted to explain this situation here. I've been trying to grow a weak beard, but clearly my other half Asian is pulling through because here is missing a significant part of facial hair. There's some here. There's definitely a here. There's some here. The middle is missing. And then here is missing as well.
One of those Shifu beards.
Yeah, right? Like... made without nails. That's the beauty of it, it's just made without nails and all. We're in the town of Vang, or Wang, as he would call it, Wang.
What are we doing?
We're walking again.
Where are we walking to?
I don't know, some shitty national park. Look,
Is it that shitty?
it looks very plain. Not as good as Schneshko, not as good as the nature behind our house. Why we do this? And we have to pay for it. What? I just feel like there are very little people in the world who enjoys walking as much as this guy and that guy. I like my couch and a bed.
Lazy fuck.
That's why in my room there are 2 of them. There's 2 beds, one of which is a couch. It's every day, man. Walking every day. Oh.
Baby, to know that I don't and I won't ever stop, 'cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me. Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me.
Windows desktop picture.
Go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it, and I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, 'cause it doesn't matter, 'cause I'm gonna do it.
So we arrived at one of the midpoints, which is supposed to be like an attraction here. But to me it's like we saw this yesterday. Or maybe I'm just tired, I don't know. Most likely because I'm tired. Is it exciting?
Nigga, no matter everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and then I gotta get it again.
Go to that spot over there.
The one on top?
Yes. You decide.
I don't have a choice. They want to head here.
Go there.
I'm feeling lazy because I know tomorrow we're walking again. And we walked yesterday.
That's why we are here.
Yep.
We came to
So,
walking.
I don't know.
Tam chceš vylízt sama z jeskyně? Já ti pomůžu, jak se?
We made it. Reluctantly, but we made it. I'm so done with nature, man. The view is alright. Not too bad. It's alright.
And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul, nigga. Better call a rap and everybody know my style. Niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest, and I bang in the east, and I banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I would never give you less.
Alright, we're at Adderspach on day 4. This is like our last full day here. And this is also the most touristy spot they've got. So, this is kind of what everyone comes here to see, I guess. Sand, the formations of sand rocks, or we kind of seen them along the way when we were hiking and stuff, but today we get to see the tourist ones. If I'm not wrong, if you Google Jivska, this is what you see. You know, it looks good, but there are just too many people around. I'm starting to agree, as much as I dreaded the hike yesterday during the hike, but now that I'm here within tourists, he's right. Jan is right. Woo! Would you like to go home? I think we only took like less than an hour and we already finished the trail. It's a very short trail compared to natural routes, and the pictures don't look as good either, so I guess there's some upsides about more challenging routes with nature. And with that, we ended our 5-day road trip. It's rare that we get a chance to spend time together like that, especially the more my brother and I grew up. So it was definitely a wholesome getaway. PS, forgot to film an outro, so here's an abrupt time lapse. Okay, take it easy, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. No, you can do it, horsey. Keep at it, bro. It's okay.